Now let's learn something more interesting. How do I make a link? Everybody's clicking things on websites and that goes to another page and another page. So in HTML, that's called an anchor tag. Now the tag name is A, less than A. Click here. And then you close it. And you're going to see click here appear. Now, if you want it to go anywhere, right? Was you want to click and go anywhere, you need to tell the anchor tag, the A tag, where you want to go. The way we do that is via what's called attributes. We can use attributes to add metadata or additional information to a tag. Now, to do that, we got to go to the open tag. To the right-hand side of the name of the element, add a space. And then you type the attribute name. And this case is href, href. Now this means you're going to make a reference to some other place, some other page, like a hyperlink reference. Now it needs a value. To specify the value, the syntax is equal sign, double quotes. Now you type the value here. When you're finished, you finish with the double quotes again. Now I'm going to go back with my arrow key and type between the double quotes. You can type any favorite website that you have. For example, https://yahoo.com. So basically what goes into the value here is whatever is in your browser address bar. So you can go to your favorite website, just copy, click on the address bar of the browser and copy everything that's there and place it here. Now, if I click run there, be careful, don't click yet. If I hover the mouse over it, I see my bottom left of my browser that it's pointing to https://yahoo.com. Now, if I click this, it will go to yahoo.com. Now, I don't want to do this because I don't want to lose this environment. So I'm going to hold the control key in my keyboard so it goes to a new tab. I'm holding control and I'm clicking and I see Yahoo open a new tag there. Do you see? A new tab was open. Now, I don't want to go there, but you can see for yourself. I'm just going to close that. But that's a link. Ojan asks, can you show how to open the link in the same tab? Yeah, so the way the anchor tag is written here, if you click the link, it will open in the same window or tab that you're on. I didn't want to do that because I'm going to lose this environment. So I pressed my control key in the keyboard just to make it open in a new window. But if I didn't have control pressed, it would stay in the same window and open that up. You can try that yourself. Maybe click there if you don't want to lose that and click back in your browser. Make sure you copy your code here. Maybe it keeps the code. Now, if you really want to force the anchor tag to open in a new tab or window without even pressing control, you can always add an attribute here to the anchor tag called target. Now, to add a new attribute to this element, it can have as many attributes as you want. Just make sure there's a space between every definition of the attribute. You can add an attribute here to the left of the existing one, or you can do to the right of the existing one. It doesn't matter. Let's do to the right. So space, always make sure there's a space. Target is the name. Equal sign. Now a value between double quotes. Now the value to open in a new tab or window is underscore blank. Think of it as like opening a blank page. If I click run, now if I click this without even holding control in my keyboard, it will open a new window. Okay, so target underscore blank.